In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a removed background from any image in Canva. This is really useful if you've removed the background from a photo, then changed your mind, or realized you accidentally erased an important part of your image. Instead of starting all over again, you can quickly bring that background or specific parts of it back. Let's imagine you're already in Canva and you've got an image on your design where you used the background remover tool. Maybe you clicked on Edit Image, chose Background Remover, and now your subject is isolated and the background is gone. But now you want that background back, or you just want to fix a small mistake. The easiest option is to simply click on the background tool again. Select your image, go back to the same place where you used the background remover, and open that panel. When you do this, Canva will show you the editing controls for that effect, including the option to restore areas. Inside that panel, look for the Restore brush. Once you click on Restore, your cursor will turn into a brush that lets you paint parts of the original background back onto your image. This is perfect when you've removed too much, like a shoulder, a hand, or an object that you still want visible. You can usually adjust the brush size so you can be precise around edges or cover larger areas more quickly. If you need to fine-tune which parts come back, move your view or zoom into the screen and carefully use the Restore brush where you want details to return. Take your time here. Slowly paint over the areas where the background should reappear, and if you bring back too much, you can switch to the erase option within the same tool and clean up the excess. Think of restore and erase as two sides of the same process. Restore brings the original background back, erase removes it again. Now, if you realize your mistake right after you remove the background, another very simple option is to use the undo button at the top of the Canva editor. Just click on the undo arrow, and Canva will step back to what your image looked like before the background was removed. This is the fastest way to revert the entire change if you haven't done